Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to finally sort out those chaotic folders on your laptop using MCP Server. If your files are a mess, you're going to love this video. So we'll be using a tool called Filesystem MCP Server along with Claude Desktop to clean things up, and I'll guide you through it step by step, nice and easy. So what exactly are we doing? We are installing an MCP server. Of course, you must be familiar with MCP by now, Model Context Protocol, which is specific to file system. So this server is one of the many servers provided by Anthropic. It is there on the official documentation of Model Context Protocol. And by adding this, we are going to tell the Claude Desktop that it has the access for read and write access on your computer files. Alright then, let's dive into the setup. You need to download and install Claude Desktop on your computer. If you already have one, make sure it is of a latest version. You also need to download Node.js because that's going to help the servers run properly. Once you install Claude Desktop, open the settings from the application menu, not the profile one, but the application on the top left. So open the settings, there you'll find this developer, toggle onto the developer mode. You'll also see this edit config. You need to open this edit config. So this edit config will take you to the location of the configuration file on your computer. So you can open this file by using any editor of your choice. So I'm opening it with text editor. You see there's just the object for now. It is the configuration JSON. This is the file where our MCP JSON configuration is supposed to be. So you can go back to the MCP server, wherever, see this server we have in the documentation, this model context protocol inside get started, and there are multiple MCP servers provided by Anthropic itself. So we are going to use this one for now, which is particular to file system. We are going to copy it and we're going to paste it in the file. And you see these are the paths by default they have given. So just replace this username by whatever username you have on your laptop. So I'll be replacing it, and along with this I'll also add one more path for document. So by mentioning these paths, I am telling my MCP server, hey, you have the access to read and write these particular paths, and whatever command I'll be giving, you are supposed to follow that. All right. So after updating this config file and every path here, we need to restart the Claude Desktop for the configuration of the MCP server to reflect. So I'm going to quit the Claude Desktop. Yeah, completely close the app and reopen it again. So once I open and restart it, you see this small icon over here, maybe some hammer icon or a tools icon. So in here, whatever MCP server configurations we have done, it's going to be listed. So for now, I have file systems here, and you can see the permissions I have given: read, write, all of these permissions. You can enable and disable these permissions based on your requirement. All right, now we are good to go with the cleanup. So now after this configuration, our Claude Desktop knows how to interact with our file system. And since we have configured our MCP server, right? So I have created a prompt. I have copied it in my notes. And I'm just simply going to paste it, asking it to organize all the files and folders based on the type, and create the folders and delete the duplicate ones. Let's see how it works. See, my desktop looks so messy here. Everything scattered, all the files and folders all together without having a proper structure. And once I give this command, let's hit it and we'll wait for our MCP to do its job. All right, it is trying to read the functions. It's trying to read our files. Yeah, the work already started. I'm simply gonna fast forward the entire process. It will take for a minute or so to have the job done. Yeah, let's go to my desktop. Let's see how it looks like. Wow, it has created me a video folder, a PDF folder, a presentations, images, everything is in its place. And I don't have to manually do select each and every file and copy paste it, right? It helped me, it kind of saved my time a lot. I'm gonna do it for my documents and downloads as well. You guys also can try and make it super fun and easy. I've provided all the important links in the description, you can have a look. And I'll also provide the prompt that I have used in the description. So yeah, this is how we have organized our desktop. You can also do it for documents, downloads, and any other file and application you wanna play around with. If this helped you clean up your messy folders, give this video a like and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such cool stuff. See ya!